question, pakilinaw po. Wala pa sa EBIR ang 1701 MS. Pwede bang wag munang gamitin yon at stay muna sa 1701 or 1701A? Dami kasi nagsasabi na need mag-file manually ng 1701 MS. From Facebook po.
Now, the directive is manual submission. You will use the 1701 MS. May nag-mention kanina, I forgot the issuance, the one that we issued last year that allowed for the submission. Yeah, 34 2025. That allowed for the submission of filing in lieu of the 1701 MS to use 1701 and 1701A. However, we have to clarify that that issuance was for 2024 ITR. We're talking about 2025 ITR now.
Yes.
And unless and until an issuance is issued stating na papayagan ulit, yon, pero yun ba direction natin? Hindi no? So we will be strictly using the 1701 MS even if it's not yet available in the EBER forms or EFPS.